Part 2, how to throw straps. These are singular straps that go onto the truck when you have a space and you do not have a bracket. Same part, you put it in your right hand like this. Put this in your right hand like this, holding with your 2 fingers with the hook inside. Leave yourself enough to hold right here. Same thing, looking for an apex, holding tight with the left hand, rolling. Pull it over. Grab the next strap, which is wrapped properly. Still holding it the same way. Open hand here, 2 fingers here, pinky underneath. This is going to guide it, this is going to hold it. That's not enough space, strap left, so we're going to grab it the same way. Walk to here, think about the apex of the truck. Roll it over, and put the strap right on the middle runner, right on the middle runner, right on the middle runner. Mr. Clark is strapping using the bar. So that's how you do it. Spencer Wood Recycling.